I've got the plane home. It is Wednesday morning, and this is the first time that I've flown since getting it here Sunday evening. I'm gonna get the pre-flight done, but really what I gotta do is recalibrate the angle of attack indicator. It's a little bit too sensitive right now. It goes off pretty much all the time, and I'm not actually close to stalling. So I need to go figure out how to recalibrate that. I've never done it before, but it seems fairly self-intuitive as far as recalibration goes. You click the calibrate button and it kind of walks you through how to do that. So I'll start the GoPro up and we'll see what it says to do, and we'll learn about that process together. I've noticed in a couple of the first videos I did that there's like a high-pitched squeal just constantly in the background. So hopefully, I'm not sure exactly what's causing that, but hopefully when I hook up the in-flight cam audio cable, it works and doesn't cause that problem. St. George traffic, van 7 Romeo Victor, departing 19, straight out to the south, St. George.
St. George traffic, 89 Yankee, left crosswind, 19, St. George traffic.
St. George traffic stack 23 November Papa, left base 19, full stop, St. George.
You pull up the menu and it says flaps up calibration, that's what we're doing. So stall warning AOA calibration, calibrate. This procedure will calibrate the AOA threshold for stall warning, top of gauge. Ensure the aircraft is in smooth air, clear of traffic, and at a safe altitude for maneuvering. Prepare to perform a power off stall with flaps up. With flaps up, perform a power off stall and recover back to level flight. The maximum angle of attack sensed during the maneuver will be used to calibrate the AOA threshold. So I've got power at 0, can't go any further back. So as the plane slows down and I try to hold altitude at 9,500, airspeed is decreasing, 60 knots. Said that was successful. Our stall warning AOA calibration is now at plus 0.4829. And I'm going to do a 180. I'm just staring at the sun and it's starting to bug me. So we're going to do the caution alert AOA calibration. This procedure will calibrate the lower threshold for AOA audio warnings, ensure the aircraft is in smooth air, clear of traffic, and at a safe altitude for slow flight. So step 2, with flaps up, establish the aircraft in level flight at the desired airspeed for audible stall warning. That means going really, really slow. So as slow as you can go and maintain level flight. We're going to head back home, land, and I'd say it's a mission success. We were able to recalibrate the angle of attack indicator so that it's not screaming at us all the time. St. George traffic, van 7 Romeo Victor, left base 19, St. George. St. George traffic, van 7 Romeo Victor, short final 19, full stop, St. George.
St. George traffic, 179 or 2 uniform, and this is a left downwind behind Echo Alpha with the departure northeast, St. George traffic.
555 Echo Hotel is turning base.
St. George traffic, vision jet 6758 Yankee is 5 miles to the southeast. We're headed in on a 45 for left traffic, 19, St. George.
St. George traffic, medevac 3 and 1, Hotel Charlie. Turning left downwind, we have the other downwind traffic in sight. We'll be departing northbound.
555 Echo Hotel, St. George traffic. We are short and final for 19, St. George traffic.
St. George traffic, van 7 Romeo Victor is down and clear of 19 at Alpha 2, taxiing back to Millionaire, St. George.